Hey everyone, it's Chris. If you've ever sat in a meeting and been quiet and sort of been in sponge mode, basically the mode that I've been in for the last several months. I have talked to so many educators about the challenges and experiences that they're going through. And here's what I keep hearing. Some of you are subject matter experts that have been great and successful in your field, and now you've been volun-told to design experiences and workshops and trainings for your staff. Oh God, now you have to train adults. Some of you, I keep hearing, oh my gosh, we would love to do more fun trainings, but we have so many boring and mandatory trainings that are painful, but we have to do them. And I wish there was a better way. One other thing I keep hearing is, hey, my Gen Z staff is just burning out. They're showing all the signs of burnout, but yet I'm not sensing that they're doing even maybe the bare minimum, but yet they're still burning out. Like, what's up with that? And then one other thing that I keep hearing is we now live in a world of AI. And how am I going to effectively integrate AI with all the other concerns and ecological, ethical, etc.? We know how powerful it is. Like, what can we do and how do we feel good about it? Well, guess what? If any of this sounds familiar, you are so not alone. I keep hearing about it, and here's what I'm doing. I'm building a bunch of resources to directly address these issues. Some of that content is already out on Instagram. It's on LinkedIn. It's on TikTok. I've been putting stuff out on YouTube lately. We've got some deep dive sessions with other experts in early childhood on YouTube on the Human Skills Training podcast. And I've been putting out like these 30-minute sessions where you can just come pick my brain. If it's about facilitation, if it's about Gen Z, if it's about AI, whatever it is, if you feel like I can be useful to you, schedule time with me. Let's hang out. Let's talk about your problem. I'd love to help you. And next week, I'm going to be launching a 7-email course that is specifically designed around these top issues that I keep seeing. Talking about making boring PD fun, how do we handle Gen Z burnout, AI, all of these things, facilitation tips and tricks. And it's going to be coming out next week. If you're getting this email, you are already signed up. And you don't need to do anything. But if you are getting this and you're like, wow, that's totally not for me, like, just hit an unsubscribe. You will not hurt my feelings. No big deal. And I hope this is useful for you. If you feel like I'm saying things that are resonating, awesome. If you're like, hey, you forgot about these 5 things, I would love to hear about them. Reply here, pick my brain, let's chat. Because I am right now in the mode of creating new, specific, custom things for people like you who have very real challenges that you're working through right now while the world is transforming itself in AI and all kinds of wild and bananas stuff. So hopefully this is useful. Let me know what else I can do. But here's what's happening, and I hope to see you very soon.